The day you were born is the key to becoming a millionaire. Doesn't this seem intriguing? Could the alignment of the stars and numbers on your birth date predict your financial future? Well, in today's lesson, we go deep into numerology and astrology to see if your birth date can provide a cosmic signal to financial success. If you're ready to investigate this interesting topic and learn what the stars have to say about your path to wealth, let's get started. For ages, people have looked to the stars for meaning and guidance from the celestial bodies. The belief that the stars and planets impact our lives dates back to ancient times, with astrology and numerology playing important roles in societies around the world. Astrology has been performed for thousands of years, with the Babylonians identifying constellations and the Greeks connecting them to mythological stories. Numerology also has an extensive history. Numbers were believed to have magical significance by early civilizations. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher, famously linked numbers to deeper meanings, implying that they could disclose mysteries about the universe and possibly our own fates. These ancient traditions were used not only to guide personal progress, but also to anticipate events, comprehend people, and forecast success and wealth. In numerous cultures, it was traditional to consult astrologers and numerologists before making major decisions such as starting a business or traveling on an adventure. Today, we may not rely as largely on these activities, but our interest with the cosmic connection continues. So let's look at how your birth date could be more than simply a number. It could be a clue to your financial future. How does numerology operate, and can it foretell your financial future? Before we go any further, if you enjoy exploring such fascinating topics, consider signing up to the InspiraZen newsletter. It's a great resource filled with insights and updates that can help guide you on your journey. The sign-up link is in the video's description. The key is to understand the concept of life path numbers. Numerology is the study of numbers and their symbolic meanings, which indicates that each number carries distinct vibrations and energies that can influence our life. To determine your life path number, begin with your entire birth date and reduce it to a single digit. Here's how it works. Sum up all the numbers in your birth date. For example, if you were born on June 9th, 1992, add 6 for June, 9 for the 9th, and 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 for 1992. This gives you 36. Now add 3 to 6, which is 9. In this situation, your life path number would be 9. Each life path number is linked to specific features, personality traits, and even career tendencies. Some numbers are associated with creativity, while others with leadership and innovation. Numerologists think that by understanding your life path number, you can receive insights into your financial capabilities and find the best ways to pursue your dreams. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's go deeper into how these figures could potentially be involved in becoming a millionaire. Are you ready to find out if you're on the path to success? Let's find out. Now that you've learned how to calculate your life path number, you may be wondering how it relates to riches. The theory behind numerology is that each number has distinct characteristics which might influence your chances of financial success. Let's take a closer look at what your birth date could reveal about your route to prosperity. Some numerology experts believe that some life path numbers are more directly related to prosperity. For example, people with a life path number of 1 are noted for their leadership abilities and dedication. These people are typically entrepreneurs or innovators who are determined to succeed. It's no wonder that many successful business executives share this life path number. On the other hand, life path number 8 is linked to ambition, power, and a strong drive for success. People with this number are frequently drawn to occupations in finance or business where they can apply their skills in leadership and strategic planning. This combination can result in substantial financial gains. Life path 9, while frequently centered on humanitarian causes, can also lead to financial success. These people are motivated by a feeling of purpose and the desire to make the world a better place. When they combine their passion with a business or philanthropic cause, they can achieve both social and financial success. Of course, these relationships are only possibilities and not promises. Numerology provides insights, but the path to prosperity is dependent on a variety of circumstances, including hard effort, determination, and the ability to seize opportunities. Let's look deeper into individual birth dates to discover what they might tell us about your chances of financial success. Were you born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th? These dates fall under Life Path 1, which is associated with leadership, invention, and determination. People born on these days are frequently driven to success, with a strong desire to forge their own path. They could be entrepreneurs, innovators, or anyone who thrives in competition. If you fall into this category, your ambition may be your most valuable asset in terms of wealth accumulation. Were you born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th? This cluster corresponds to Life Path number 2, which represents diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Individuals born on these days frequently succeed in teamwork, making them exceptional collaborators. They may achieve success in partnerships or occupations that need great interpersonal abilities. If you're here, your ability to network with others could lead to lucrative prospects. Were you born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th? Life Path number 3 focuses on creativity and communication. People born on these dates are frequently creative, expressive, and full of new ideas. They may flourish in creative fields such as entertainment, literature, or design. If you are a member of this group, your imagination may be the key to unlocking fortune. Were you born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st? These birth dates fall under Life Path number 4, which represents discipline, organization, and hard labor. This group is known for its dependability and ability to lay solid groundwork. They frequently achieve success in disciplines that need organization and attention to detail. If you were born on one of these dates, your perseverance may lead to financial stability and growth. Were you born on the 5th, the 14th, or the 23rd? Life Path number 5 is defined by a desire for adventure and change. People born on these days are typically versatile, lively, and enjoy diversity. They may excel in occupations that involve travel, new experiences, or dynamic situations. If you are one of these people, your adaptability and adventurous spirit could lead to a variety of exciting and even profitable options. Number 5 represents adventure and freedom. People born on these dates are frequently risk-takers who gravitate toward jobs that allow them to explore and experiment. They might excel in sales, travel, or entrepreneurship. If you're in this group, your willingness to take chances could result in significant benefits. Were you born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th? Life Path number 6 represents compassion and responsibility. Those born on these days frequently thrive in occupations that require caring for others, such as teaching or healthcare. If you belong to this group, your feeling of responsibility and empathy may help you succeed in careers that respect these qualities. Were you born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th? Life Path number 7 is all on spirituality and introspection. People born on these days are typically deep thinkers who seek knowledge and wisdom. They may thrive in fields that demand study or research. If you belong to this group, your quest for enlightenment may lead to unusual income prospects. Were you born on the 8th, the 17th, or the 26th? Life Path number 8 represents desire and power. Individuals born on these dates are frequently drawn to business and leadership positions. They want to succeed and are willing to work hard for it. If you are a member of this group, your ambition may propel you to financial success. Born on the 9th, 18th, or 27th, Life Path 9 is all about compassion and generosity. People born on these days frequently have a great desire to make a constructive contribution to the world. They may succeed in fields like charity, social work, or nonprofits. If you belong to this group, your desire to serve others may lead to a fulfilling and prosperous life. While numerology provides intriguing insights into the potential link between birth dates and financial success, it is critical to realize the hurdles and hazards associated with the path to prosperity. Whatever your life path number indicates, establishing financial security needs dedication, discipline, and intelligent decision-making. One prevalent difficulty is spending money carelessly. Some birth dates are associated with a love of luxury and an appreciation for the better things in life. While indulging yourself is enjoyable, it is critical to stick to a limit and manage your financial assets sensibly to prevent going into debt. Another potential concern is the pressure to succeed instantly. The route to wealth is rarely a straight one. Setbacks and barriers are unavoidable. If you are overly focused on immediate success, you may miss out on key learning opportunities along the way. Remember that while numerology can help, it is your hard work, determination, and wise judgment that will lead to long-term success. Stay focused, patient, and enjoy the trip. As fascinating as numerology is, it is critical to approach it with a sense of realism. While it's entertaining to speculate on the possible correlations between birth dates and wealth, there is no solid scientific evidence that these associations are definitive. Education, the environment, access to resources, and individual work all have an impact on wealth. Numerology can be a source of inspiration, offering a unique perspective on your personality and potential strengths. But it does not ensure success. The genuine path to prosperity requires hard effort, dedication, and smart financial planning. Successful people's stories frequently include setbacks, disappointments, and a great deal of determination. It's critical to remember that money and success are more than just astronomical alignments. They're also about your actions and decisions. Another warning: relying only on numerology can result in unreasonable expectations or even terrible financial decisions. If you're making big decisions regarding your career or finances, you should talk with experts and conduct extensive research. Be cautious of quick solutions and promises of quick money. Finally, the most powerful force on your path to success is you. Your commitment, perseverance, and desire to learn will determine where you end up. So, while it's exciting to experiment with numerology, keep your feet on the ground and focus on establishing a solid foundation for your future. All that being said, we hope you find it as engaging as we did. If you enjoyed this adventure of numbers lesson, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next lesson. Tell us your thoughts on numerology and whether you believe it has a role in developing our financial fortunes. Have you seen any connections between your birthday and your path to success? We want to hear your experience. Remember that, while numerology can be a fascinating guide, the most important aspect in success is your own hard work, drive, and determination. So stay curious, work hard, and keep discovering new possibilities. And I will see you in the next video.